Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. Ooh, 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 ooh. Today we're gonna go ahead and do our meal plan spread using the Dream Seeker sticker book. And I already pre-pulled a few a few stickers, but I'm going to go ahead and white out this errand and this 2x. And of course this focus. You gotta focus, man. Money on my mind. Okay. So, one of the first things I did was pull this washi strip. And let me turn this page upside down so I can get down with the get down. That's cute or whatever. Go ahead and take these arrows. Use that for my groceries. And I'm gonna use this one for household. Both of those are ghosting through, but you know what? We not gonna trip about it. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this, do I wanna put it over here? Yeah, I could put it right here so this doesn't go all the way to the end. There we go. I'll take these two circles, they say love and yay, and I'm going to reposition these where they are covering up the majority of this whiteout. That's cute. And before we get to the bottom and do our decor, I'm gonna switch gears and switch over to this side. Woo. Dream Seeker is one of my absolute favorite sticker books. Should I do this? Sometimes you gotta turn the page. All kind of retarded. Yeah, no. I like that better. Coming from the bottom. Okay. And a lot of these feathers were my inspiration. Yeah, because I kind of want that one to be like, yes. Now I gotta move this one a little bit. There we go. Give it a little tilt, just a little different tilt. I haven't quite decided what I want to do with this box. A few stickers spoke out to me, but then some of them I was like, I don't know. So we're gonna see what we do later. One thing I do want to do though is this. Don't let the universe hide your do yourself a favor. Don't hide your magic. I don't know what I was saying. Do I want to white out the lines, or maybe I'll just white out this middle? That's what I'll do. I'll just do the middle and let it. Try to dry that out a little bit. Just a little bit. There, that's cute. Now, with this here bottom section, this is what I'm thinking of, you know, twerking and swerking and making it working. But how I'm thinking about doing that is, okay. So what I'm thinking is now, because originally I had layered these all together, but what I'm thinking is now I'll put that one right there. All right, we got that. That one right there. And y'all know I love me some blue, so you know I had to get this blue one. That's cute. Yes, girl, you did that. Do we still need something over here? What do you guys think? Let's look and see what we can see. I don't think I'll find anything, though. Let's see. Somebody's motorcycle is just gone. Ooh, that's cute. That love more. But we're not really discussing love right now. You know, we're just trying to. We could put one of these. Let's put Love My Life. Is that giving us what it was missing, or do we need something bigger? Let's say. I like that, but that's too big because then it's gonna mess up our magic. So yeah, we're gonna leave it the way it is. We're gonna leave it the way it is. Yes, we are. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, we're gonna leave it the way it is. Yes. So there we go. That's cute. Okay. Okay, girl. You did that, girl. I see you. All right, here is our meal plan spread for July 6th through the 12th. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember, live your life Lexquisitely, one day at a time. Bye now.